Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 13th, 2025, and we're diving into Kamada's second quarter earnings report for 2025. Kamada, a global biopharmaceutical leader in specialty plasma-derived therapies, has just released its financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Kamada's latest earnings report is quite impressive, showing strong growth and profitability. I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Kamada reported a net revenue of $44.8 million for the second quarter of 2025, which is a 5% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by increased sales of Glacia in ex-US markets, as well as strong performance in their distribution segment in Varizig US sales. This diverse portfolio has allowed Kamada to maintain a steady growth trajectory.
And what about profitability?
Kamada's net income for the quarter was $7.4 million, or 0.3 cents per diluted share, which is a significant 68% increase from the previous year. Their adjusted EBITDA also saw a 20% rise to $10.9 million, reflecting their effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Kamada has managed to reduce its operating expenses significantly. What does this mean for the company?
Indeed, their operating expenses decreased to $11.9 million from $13.3 million last year. This reduction is a result of disciplined management of operational expenses, which has contributed to their improved profitability. Looking ahead, Kamada has raised its full-year adjusted EBITDA guidance to $40 million to $44 million, while reiterating its revenue guidance of $178 million, $182 million, indicating strong confidence in their future performance.
That's promising. How does their strategic focus play into this outlook?
Kamada is focusing on securing commercial-stage business development opportunities and expanding their plasma collection operations. The recent FDA approval of their plasma collection center in Houston is a testament to their strategic growth initiatives, which are expected to support long-term profitable growth.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's talk about the earnings per share. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of 0.9 cents for this quarter. How did Kamada perform in this regard?
Kamada exceeded expectations with an actual EPS of 13 cents, beating the forecast by 4/4. This outperformance is a clear indicator of their strong operational execution and financial management.
What does this mean for investors?
This EPS beat is likely to boost investor confidence and could positively impact the stock price. It demonstrates Kamada's ability to deliver beyond market expectations, which is always a positive sign for shareholders.
Strategic initiatives and product development. John, Kamada has been making strides in its strategic initiatives. Can you elaborate on their recent developments?
Certainly. Kamada recently received FDA approval for its plasma collection center in Houston, which is now cleared for commercial sales. This facility is expected to significantly contribute to their revenue. Additionally, they are advancing their INNOV-A clinical trial for inhaled alpha-1 antitrypsin therapy, with an interim analysis expected by year-end. These initiatives highlight Kamada's commitment to expanding its product portfolio and driving long-term growth through strategic business development and M&A opportunities.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Kamada's second quarter results showcase a robust performance with significant growth in revenue and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have positioned them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Kamada's ability to exceed EPS expectations and their strategic focus on growth pillars are commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their continued execution and upcoming clinical trial results, which could further enhance their market position.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kamada's performance in the comments below. Until next time.